Get rid of your acne using this powerful natural cure. Hey everyone, welcome to Heal How, where we focus on home remedies and natural healing using plants. In today's feature, we provide you with a powerful home remedy to get rid of acne and regain your confidence. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, where we will give you a really simple recipe using the burdock root to get rid of annoying acne. So, what is acne? Acne can be defined as skin inflammations which result from increased activity in the sebaceous glands and the lack of adequate removal of the oily substance or sebum. Sebum is the oily substance secreted by the sebaceous glands which lubricates our hair and skin. The result from the lack of elimination of the excess sebum that is retained forms what we call blackheads or pimples on the face, back, shoulders, and chest. This is common in young adults. What causes acne anyway? There are numerous causes of acne, such as increased activity of male hormones in both females and males. A lack of proper hygiene can also be a major factor. Excessive consumption of fatty foods, excessive consumption of sweets, and also nervous tension. There are numerous treatments of acne such as therapies, oral medications, and direct application medications. We'll focus on the plant-based cure for acne called burdock. The root can grow up to 1 meter in length every year and produces hairy, long, narrow stems. The leaves are shaped like hearts, with wrinkled green tinted edges and prickly bracts, forming a furry fruit. The tubular flower heads are of a reddish purple color. The usable parts of the plant are the leaves, roots, and seeds. One usable part of the plant is the root of year-old plants that do not yet have stems, uprooted in October and November. Burdock is used for treatment of skin diseases, inflammations, and acne. Its other uses include combating dandruff and helps to heal injuries. Check out our last video on a natural remedy for dandruff if you're having issues with an itchy scalp. Fresh burdock leaves applied directly to skin can counteract poisonous or allergic reactions to other plants. It also promotes the secretions of digestive juices, especially bile. As promised, here's a simple but powerful recipe to get rid of annoying acne. Step 1. Prepare crushed burdock roots. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed roots and a cup of water. Step 3. Soak the mixture for 5 hours. Step 4. Boil the mixture for 5 minutes. Take 1 cup daily in small doses during the day. It is not recommended that pregnant women and children under 12 years of age use this remedy. Like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on home remedies and natural healing using plants.